Michelle. So this has been the easiest way to explain the OneNote. So when you come in, you'll just go to Alana's tab. The plans will be here. So you would just click on the plans. Everything's going to be listed out right here for you. So everything will be down here for you for math. It's just not there yet, but it will be. So that's where all the plans will be for the week. And then if you take any data, these are her data sheets. So you can just type right into the OneNote the data. Trying to see, yeah, so like you can also put pictures in here. So you could use like the snipping tool and snip if she's like holding up her whiteboard. You could take your snipping tool and snip a picture of it while she's on Teams, and you could then copy it into the OneNote, so that way we'd have like a sample of data. And then the last thing is this daily attendance. So you'll click this link and it'll take you to an attendance page. You'll just click on the date at the bottom, and then you'll just check off whether she came for her pullout or if she didn't. If she didn't, you leave it blank. If she did, just check the box. It's really that easy. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. Right now, Alana is coming in on Wednesdays. We are going to offer Mom for her to go to the all 5 days a week. On Tuesday, when we have her when we have an IEP meeting for Jeremiah. So I will let you know what ends up happening. But right now she's just Wednesdays. And like I said, just the link is there. Click the box. Good to go. If you have any other questions about the OneNote, just let me know. I mean, really, her plans have been pretty simple, straightforward. Just right now, we're just doing like road calculation. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will talk to you later. Thanks a lot. Bye.